Hello and welcome back to the Golf Diaries. We're back. Hello and welcome back to the Golf Diaries. It is so good to be back in front of the camera. Whether you agree or not, hey, only you can tell me that. But yeah, my name's Mark, and if you're into your VWs, VW car care shows, all that kind of VW lifestyle stuff, then hopefully you've come to the right place. So please like, subscribe, and come along. Now, if you're new around here and this is the first one you're seeing, then well, you haven't really missed a lot in the last few months. I've kind of been away doing lots of work stuff, and some boring, some really interesting, some of which I will be telling you about, because lots of updates for you, lots of catching up to do. If you've been around since the start, thank you so much. Thank you for sticking around and waiting for our return. I'm sure that's not the only thing you've been doing. I'm sure you've not been sat there thinking, where are the Golf Diaries? If you have, then please let me know, because you're my favourite person. But anyway, let's move on. So, as I said, lots to talk about. This is only a quick video just to say, hey, we're back, and also just to give you a quick update on the Caddy. Now, there is going to be a Caddy video coming very shortly where, how can I put this? If you work in Volkswagen's PR department, you might want to watch it. There's been a few issues, not with the car, although it kind of was to do with the Caddy, obviously, but the experience I received from Volkswagen retailers was interesting. So that's to come, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, I will take you out to the Caddy in a second and just show a little bit of an upgrade that we've done to the front of the Caddy. But one of the things I've been asked about a lot, believe it or not, I've made it quite clear that I'm a mountain biker. I've got a whole other channel on bikes and stuff like that, which I'll bore you about at some other stage. And I've always said that the Caddy is a mountain bike van. So lots of people have been asking me, how do you set up the back of a Caddy for the bikes? So this one's for you, but if you're not into bikes, stick around. It's only a few seconds long, and then I'll show you that upgrade. So let's go outside and have a look at the Caddy. So that there is the helmet holder, which obviously I've just stuck on the back door. It's quite cool. Just kind of hold your helmet quite safely during travel. That's not going anywhere. It can rattle a little bit, if I'm being brutally honest, but it's you know, once you've got the music on inside, you don't hear it. So anyway, the back of the car, or the van I should say, looks a bit like this. So there you can see, obviously front wheel off. Obviously if you want to put a bike in without taking the front wheel off, you are going to need a maxi. You can just about kind of put the bike kind of crossways like that, but you obviously lose a lot of load space that way. So front wheel off. I'm going to get a fork holder there at some stage. It just kind of attaches to the 2 points there. So that's next on the shopping list. And then back here, thanks to the bike stow that I've got installed, I've got the wheel safely sat there alongside this one. So obviously this works really, really well if it's just you, Billy no mates, going out with your bike. If you want to take a mate with you, then you can get obviously 2 bikes in here, and then just kind of attach the wheels along to, you know, onto this wall here. So it kind of works quite well. So that's that, and then over here you can see just a few kind of colour coordinated cases. So 3 cases there, one with cycling stuff in, one with trail running stuff in, and then the other one just full of spare parts and tools and things like that. And then down here obviously you have the track pump, and then the mud hugger change bags, so you can put all your dirty kit in after a ride. And then stuck over the back there, I've got my full face. So that in a nutshell is the back of the Caddy. And now I'll show you a close-up of the bike stow. Right, so the bike stow, excuse, it's a little bit dark in here, but the bike stow is quite a simple thing, as you can see. So obviously with the V section here, you can have different width tyres, all the way from, you know, real kind of almost fat bike size through to roadie and gravel tyres quite nicely. As you can see, that's well and truly stuck in there. They're not going anywhere. That's you know, it's just a really nice setup. You know, that's with me shaking the saddle, and you can see it's just not moving. So obviously when I get the fork holder down there, it'll just make it that little bit better as well. So I do love my bike. It's a lovely bike. It's probably one of the best bikes actually I've ever owned. The Revel Ranger, really nice bike. So anyway, more of that on my other channel, which I'll bore you about at some other stage. Now, I did promise you news of an upgrade. Well, here it is. So they are xenon headlights. I just got a bit fed up with the standard headlights. They, frankly, a candle would have more power than those, and even with the upgraded bulbs, they just weren't great. So the guys at TMG, Specialist Mans, they fitted those for me. They sourced them and fitted them for me, and I just think they really kind of finish off the band quite nicely. So yeah, really pleased with that. More to come, much more to come. So there you go. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And you know, if there's any ideas you have as to how I can improve the back of the Caddy, I'm all up for new ideas. I have thought about having one of those pull-out trays in the back. I just think that might take up a lot of room. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But anyway, so that's the update on the Caddy. Lots more to come, including how it got on with its garage therapy treatment. You may recall, and I will leave a link to the video below, I did a complete detail using the whole garage therapy system, and that, yeah, I need to feed back on that, how the garage therapy system fared through its first winter, which seems a long time ago, sitting here in a very hot garage. So apologies if the face is a bit red, but yeah, so lots to update you on. But yeah, definitely stay tuned for the next one. If you own a VW, or you're thinking of owning a VW, certainly a VW commercial, you might want to tune in. So anyway, until next time, take care, enjoy yourselves, whatever it is you're doing, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.